Live at the Trafford Centre in Manchester on Tooth Patrol. Justin.
Well, I know I look dreadful, Christine, but I hope you realise these are not my real teeth. These are what the experts think my teeth would look like if I didn't take care of them. So take a good look, because I think you'll agree it's not a pretty sight. But the truth is that millions of people here in Britain have had problems signing up to an NHS dentist. So what we've done is come here to the Trafford Centre to offer people a free dental checkup courtesy of the One Show. And I'll be honest, we've seen some pretty shocking teeth today, but none as shocking as the teeth you're about to see, because I've been talking to people who've had such problems finding a dentist, they've decided to quite literally take matters into their own hands.
A lot of people off their tea already. If you're eating your tea, I'd look away now, because we're going back to our tooth patrol in Manchester. What have you got there for us, Justin?
Well, it's certainly causing a spectacle here at the Old Trafford Centre. Just look at the crowds we've got round us here. And we have been working our three dentists very hard all afternoon. Take a look at this. They've examined literally hundreds of mouths and thousands of teeth. Sorry, and thousands of teeth here at the Trafford Centre. Decay, plaque, tartar, even abscesses. They've seen the lot. And what we've done is we've lined up three very brave members of the public who've agreed to allow us to have a peek inside their mouths live on national TV. So thanks to them for that. Now let's have a look. Come along. So Kailesh, you've got Charlotte here. Tell us about her mouth.
Well, Charlotte, as you can see here, has got a wisdom tooth, which is just starting to come through. It's a very common problem at the age that Charlotte is, which is 20. And the problem being, she doesn't have enough room in the mouth for this tooth to come.
So what does she need to do?
She needs to see a dentist. She needs to get this tooth out.
She needs to see a dentist. OK, well, our next case is only 7 years old, a little girl, and she very bravely has agreed to come on telly. So tell us, Mirab. Very kind of you to take part. Thank you very much indeed. So what problems, Asha, does Mirab have?
Right, what we've got here, darling, just open your mouth. We've got some very large holes here.
Oh, yeah, you can see those cavities, can't you?
Here. And she's only 7 years old, and we've already developed large holes, and we're actually developing holes in her permanent teeth. So that suggests that Mirab, unfortunately, has far too many sweets, too many fizzy drinks, and doesn't brush her teeth particularly well.
Doesn't brush her teeth enough.
No.
Well, the last case we've got here with us is James. Now, James, tell us a bit about your oral hygiene regime.
Well, I suppose my oral hygiene reflects my love life in that if I'm out on the pull, I brush my teeth. If I've got something steady, I don't really bother.
I have to say, that is disgusting. So when was the last time you went to the dentist?
I've never been to the dentist.
You have never been to the dentist. Well, get inside his mouth. Let's have a look.
What we've got here is some pretty severe problems with his teeth. James has got probably 23 years of plaque build-up around his teeth. He's got several cavities starting. As well as that, he's got a bit of an aesthetic problem in that he's got quite a bit of crowding that he's not happy with. And I know he wants to do something about that.
OK. Well, listen, I mean, these are very common problems, and if anybody out there recognises any of the problems, perhaps even James is, then do the right thing. Go and find yourself an NHS dentist.
Oh, Justin, but like officially, what should you do if you need to get the hold of a dentist? You haven't been for years like Dan here. I mean, what should you do? What's the best way of going about it?
Well, we spoke to the Chief Dental Officer today, and he said everyone in Britain should be able to sign up with an NHS dentist. So what we've done is we've put a link to an NHS website on our website, the One Show website. If you go on there, it'll tell you who and where your local dentist is and how to sign up. And if you have any problems signing up with your dentist, it'll tell you what to do then. So get on and sign up.
Thanks, Justin. If you don't like looking at rotten teeth on your television, we apologise for the content of this evening's programme.